like elephant toothpaste. Hello, today I'll be performing elephant toothpaste science experiment. So let's start. So I got this hydrogen peroxide in. So you gotta mix the yeast in warm water. And then get dish soap. You have to get 1 tablespoon. 2. Now add your favorite food coloring. I like sort of a turquoise color, so I'll put 7 drops of blue, 3 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3. It looks like it's really dark now, but when it comes out, it will be lighter. So that's why you gotta get it pretty dark, like 10 drops. Mix this. Okay, it looks like it's mixed. Now you gotta get your yeast in here and mix it pretty good. So, and then you mix the yeast. It's like this like melted chocolate ice cream solution. Looks like it. So that's what you need. And this is the real reaction. So place your homemade funnel or just funnel inside the bottle. Make sure you didn't miss any ingredients that you need to put. Okay, didn't miss anything. Good. So now get ready. 3, 2, 1. Unbelievable. Oh, are you kidding? This is unbelievable. It's still lasting. It's been 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30. Oh, it's been active for 30 seconds now. Unbelievable. And if you use 6% hydrogen peroxide, this is 3%. 6% will be ginormous. So, and it's less safer because you can get skin infections or eye irritations if you use 6%. And so you can't touch the foam on 6%, but you can touch the foam on the 3% peroxide. So that was just unbelievable. Hope you liked this elephant toothpaste science experiment video. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.